Hello friend. In this video we are going to discuss about what is the C programming. The C programming language that is both versatile and popular, allowing it be used in vast array of applications and technologies. Friends, why we need to learn the C programming language at the basic? It can be, for example, used to write a code for operating system. It's much more complex program and everything is in between. So its simplicity and flexibility are largely because it can be function independently of the machines. So which has lent itself to become one of the foundational programming language in the industry. So acquiring an understanding of the C will help you to learn the wide range of other programming languages like C, Java, C++, like that. Okay. So friend, why is the C programming is so popular? The C is highly efficient programming language that was initially developed to write the operating system. So it has many features that make it flexible and easy to use. Okay, so though C was developed as a programming language for Unix operating system, it is now has many compilers that allow it to be used across almost all hardware platforms and operating systems. When it first beginning to become popular, the ANSI, that means American National Standard Institute, found it necessary to create a commercial standard for the programming language. Since then, it has also been approved by the International Standard Organization and it now sometimes referred as a ANSI C. So friend, what are the features of C programming language? There are variety of features will be there. Some are mentioned here. It offers functions and operators that are inbuilt. These can be used to solve all kinds of complex problems. C combines the functionality of both low-level language as well as high-level language. So it is called as the middle-level language. All the operating system can be used to write the C program. The next feature is C provide a great support in terms of the data types and operators it offers. So these features make a C program very speedy. The C is an extensible language and the library required to support the different functions and operators are provided by C itself. So these are the features of the C language. So friend, where is the C is used? So here are some applications that are mentioned in this video that in that system the C programming language is used. In embedded system, for the development of system applications, we use the C programming language. For the development of the desktop applications, for the development of majority of Adobe applications, for the development of browsers and different extensions for these browsers, in the development of database like MySQL, in the development of operating system, to produce the compilers, and in the IoT related applications. That means Internet of Things related application. So in that systems, the C programming is majorly used. So friend, this is the basic language and if you have to learn that basic language, then you learn other language easily. So friend, that's my purpose. I give the course for you. Okay. Thank you friends.